Yeah. Rudy, come here, boy. Where are you going, you little monster? Right, we're on the van. I had a couple of developments yesterday, guys. I'm really sorry that I didn't get to video. I thought the camera was recording and it wasn't. Elementary mistake, stupid juvenile stuff. There you go. I think you've seen me do this. Yeah, I've got the video of that, but you didn't see me do that, which is the ceiling fan, and you didn't see me do that, which is the extractor for the toilet. So I cut the holes in, drilled 4 holes. I knew it was 390mm. Cut the square, screwed it in, blah 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 blah. I've got the shroud to go round it when the ceiling goes up, so that fits sort of, hang on, sort of like that, if I can hold it in place to show you, like that, and it goes up and down to suit. So I can move that about to suit whatever level of ceiling I have. Right, so that's good, that's done. I finished the insulation at this end, so that's all done. As you can see, it's all done and sealed. I connected the fan here, I've written here, so the cable comes through here, and I connected it using the crimp system and taped it all, so it's completely sealed, and I've made a note on the ceiling where it is. I'm not going to hit that batten anyhow, I'm going to be going in the battens when I screw. Today I'm getting the water heater in position, but I've got to build a small frame to fit it on. So that's what you've caught me doing now. I've just got it all set up. I thought I'll whack you on a time lapse now while I build this studded frame, and you can see what my carpentry skills are like, if you like. It's a misty morning here today, I tell you. Right, my dog's gone missing again as well, little bugger. trim water here. I've got to clean off the tape residue and stuff from here, but I'll do that when all that sealant is dry. As you can see, it's all screwed in. I built a, oh shut up Rudy, I built a frame for it to sit on. I've just got to put a packer in the back end here because the van's on a tilt at the moment, so I need to level it up. But the gas connection's that side, the water connection's the other side. Obviously there's a wall going there, and this is all going to be under the bed, so I can still get at everything. And I've got the cover that goes on the outside, but I don't want to put that on yet because I've got silicone all over it and I don't want to do that. But yeah, I made a bit of a mess, mind, but another little job done. Oh God. And it's all come out okay actually. I wanted it on a little stand thing to raise it up so it missed all this plastic shit here. You know, it's a lot better there, I think. And it, you know, when the cover's on as well, which is like a waterproof cover thing. But yeah, look at this dirt, look, coming out of the cracks. Filthy, man. Filthy. Right, that'll do for now, I think. We're going to do some other bits. Obviously we've got the tanks to fit. I've got the toilet system to fit as well, which has got a toilet and shower system to set up. That's going to be a ball ache, I know it is, but hey, it is what it is. Once I get that tray in position and the Thetford kit through the wall, I can start putting the ceiling up, my walls up, start paneling walls and things like that, get the ceiling in. I'm going to finish that bit of insulation in a minute and wire that fan in so he's sealed. Yeah, that's where we're at, guys. That's where we're at. We're getting there. Slow process, but we're getting there. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel again. You're joining me today. I'm back at home in England and I am doing camper van work. You should see an updated video showing the ceiling finished, the fan installed for the toilet and the fan installed for the main area. Water heater is now installed. I'll show you what the finished article on the flue looks like. So that's how that came out. I'm just going to clean all the mess off the side. There's a lot of dirt and there's a cover that goes on there, so when you use it. But it's not too bad, he's just a bit of a tight fit. I might have to shave a bit of the plastic at the bottom. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Anyhow, today I'm going to be doing the ceiling. And I have two items that I've got. I have in front of my van black tape, duct tape. I always thought it was duct tape, but it's D-U-C-K tape, duct tape. And I have this timber here. So the idea is to find a centre line and put a strip of tape from front to back. Black tape, exact centre. Then offer a piece of timber up, measure the width of the timber and put another piece of black tape, and so on and so forth. So like a stripy black tape ceiling, and the wood will go either side of the tape, so that when you look through the ceiling there's a gap of the thickness of the timber and all you see is black. So it's like a shadow ceiling. That's the plan. So let's put you on a time lapse and let's see how this goes. I think this is going to be quite difficult, but I'm going to do my best to get that straight line. That's what I'm looking for. That's the key moment, is getting that straight line from front to back. I'm pretty sure I can do it actually. We'll see. Anyhow, hope you enjoy. Right, so as you will have seen from the time lapse, look at that, guys. What do you reckon then? I think that was banging myself. And the missus is going to like put like a light oak stain. Glad Craig assisted me today. Alright. Some of you might have seen him from the Turkey holidays he's on. But yeah, we've run out of black tape, but I'm going to get these runners in now today. And then I think I'm really happy with that. The black shadow was what the effect was with the tape and that. A lot of people carpet the ceiling then put it on, but I just thought, do you know what, that tape's never going anywhere. And I've got lights that run inside that. I've got 2 downers and LEDs that run all the way down. A set there and a set here. It's going to look really nice. Anyhow, and now you see why I didn't finish that ceiling in there, because I wanted to see where that came to. Good. Right, turning it off and going for a cup of tea.
Yeah.